Here's Zach. Zach is videotaping. This is honk if you want just a drink.
Turn around and let me see the sign, Mark.
He had a beer this Drinking too. Drink too, y'all. This is us right here, y'all. Springbreak 2010. Honk if you want us to drink.
We're drinking.
Oh, keep going. Then we got one more coming. When I see that Dodge pull up.
Put your shirt on. Put your shirt on.
Oh yeah, by the way, we just got these two old guys. Stop, pull over, tell us. Y'all better get ready. We're bringing some stuff back to drink.
And a 5-year-old kid just crawled in his mom's car so he could honk.
Yeah, that was classic. Here we go. See, we get us one. Get us one. Get us one. Lay it here. No. Lay it here. You can get it. The Dodge is back. The Dodge is back.
Here they come. Here they come, folks. We'll be back for more.